how to type bold text in Messenger. In this video, I'm going to show you how to type in bold text within the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So I'm going to show you two different ways to type in bold text. The first is going to be to just surround the text that you want bold with an asterisk. So I'm going to go ahead and just type an asterisk, then type the text that you want bold. Then after that, just end it with an asterisk. And then as you can see, it'll show you what that bold will look like. And now when I send it, it'll be bold. Now you can also send different fonts and different types of bold text by simply opening up a browser and navigating to a website like texttrick.com. And full disclosure, I created texttrick.com. Once you get to texttrick.com, all you need to do is type the text that you want to be bold or in a fancy font. Once you type your text, you could scroll down and you'll see all the different fonts that are available. If you see something that you want to send, simply copy that font by selecting copy next to it. Go back to Messenger and then paste that in and then just send it, and it'll send the text in that font. And as you can see, the person will receive it and it'll be in that font as well. So that's how you send bold text on Messenger. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.